What's going on, gang? It is your boy Billsuccess coming back with yet another sneaker unboxing and review. Without wasting my time, let's get into it. So this is the packaging it comes in. If you all been watching my videos, you all know where I purchase my items from. I purchase my item from the Poizon app. I made a video on how to purchase from the Poizon app. If you want to check it out, click the link right here. Check it out right after watching this video. Basically, this is how the Poizon app packages its items. As you can see, they have the Poizon on the sides of the box. Over here, they have their slogan, "Can't stop, won't stop." That's the slogan of the Poizon app. Without wasting my time, let's open this box. Ooh. This box right here is the box of Air Jordan 4 Black Hats. This is how it looks. It has a black Jumpman logo with flights underneath. When you come to the side, it has the details. Air Jordan 4 Retro black LT graphite. Yeah, I got it in a size 8. The price is 190 USD. I got it last year it was going for 190. That was the original price, but now it's going for a retail price of 790. Others are selling it for 1k USD. Now it's going crazy in terms of price. But then let's check out the box. This is how the box looks like. It has a black cement box. Underneath it has the Jumpman logo right here with a flight underneath, and then over here we have Nike swoosh, Nike. Basically, this is how the box looks like. Let's quickly open these and see what is inside. Let's see the bad boys in hand. Let's get it. The very moment you open the box, this is what you see. This black, I don't know, it feels plastic. I can't wait to see the bad boys. Let's get into it. Ooh, okay. It's coated with these plastic transparent bags, and this is the Poizon tag. Let's get these open. Oh my, look at these. Look at these, bro. Wait, let's open this one too. Oh my, what are these? It smells so good. Okay, let's get a box off. These are solid. These are solid, I'm not gonna lie. Look at these. But these look exquisite in person. Since last year, I've never opened these. I've never worn them. Like, wow, I can't wait to wear these. Okay, so this is Air Jordan 4 Retro, all black colorway. It's called Black Hat, that's how they call it. Behind here, it has the Jumpman logo in black. It feels, I don't know, metallic or plastic, I don't know. But then the shoe itself feels Swedish. It has a sweet vibe to it. I love how the net is. The net kind of has some nipple effect. I don't know, man. I don't know how to describe it, but it's different from the normal net, you know, the normal Air Jordan 4 net. And if you have a look at the tank has the Jumpman logo with a flight written behind. If you check the outsoles are black with a white Jumpman logo here. Man, this colorway is so crazy. This is so dope. It smells so good. Alright, without wasting my time, let's quickly get into the review. Let's go. Alright guys, that's been it for the unboxing and sneaker review. I got tons of similar videos for y'all. Make sure y'all stick around. And if you are new to this channel, consider yourself subscribing. It's been your boy Billsuccess, and I'm out.